good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Look, baby, this is my work area in the morning, and I'm talking in my slow, whispering Tabitha voice. Girl, baby, look, we had a happy hour here at the apartment complex. Girl, Miss Anna, the bartender, made those drinks a little too strong. I had like 3 drinks, y'all, but when I tell you I was done. First of all, I'm already a lightweight and I don't drink hard liquor. I just do hard liquor like maybe once a month. Child. And they have these things monthly, I guess. The first time I think I had 1 drink and I was okay. Child, 2, what did I, 3 drinks? But it was a good time. It is the end of October, early November. Well, child, my husband, when I tell you my husband loves him some JB, he loves him some JB. So I wanted this to be a date night, right? And so I was like, you know, we pick up JB, we drop him off at the daycare. He's like, no, this is not just about you. This is my husband checking me. No, this is not just about you. He needs to come with us. This is a time for him to be out too. He's at school all day. He could come with us. I'm like, dang. Hey, you guys. So, girl, I had to sit down on the ground. Look at my skin, honey. Yes, looking great. I know I'm always talking about my skin. You have to excuse my hair. So, baby, I'm gonna get on this thing. I'm gonna try to upload this vlog like soon. So I just want to say this, you guys, and I know I have women of all ages and men who watch my channel. I think that when we think about a relationship in a married life, we have assumptions, and oftentimes once we get to the place that we want to be, excuse me, as far as a marriage, go in a relationship, it does not meet our expectations. And I can honestly say that's on both sides. What am I trying to say, y'all? This is all in regards to the situation with poor Linda. And she's not the only person, honestly, that I've seen post within the last 2 weeks of them going through a divorce. There is another YouTuber. She had taken a long break. Okay, you guys, I found her. The other YouTuber, unfortunately, who is going through this, her name is Colleen Marie. And I'm gonna get back to, you know, overall what Linda had posted, and I haven't seen everything, but there was a comment on this one young woman's post, Colleen Marie. Someone posted at the end about, basically, just to summarize it, that she feels like there's 2 sides to every story, and her story, meaning Colleen, seems a little disgenuine, almost like she's tugging on people's heartstrings for sympathy. This is why it's really important as content creators that we're very careful about what we share on our platform. And I honestly think, Linda, I was going to send her a text message. I would be very careful too, because in her situation, it just happened. And you don't know if he would use that information, whatever, you know, I don't know. We don't know. But I guess my point is that you just got to be very, very mindful of how much you share when you're going through stuff like this. And I know she hasn't, she's kind of been careful, and everyone's different, and perhaps this is her way of dealing with it in the midst and having people support her and sharing and being transparent. She's able to get that support. But this one girl, I know I'm all over the place, I'm sorry. Again, she had someone say, yeah, there's 2 sides to every story. I'm not sure if I believe, basically she's not sure if she believes it. And that's the thing, again, once you put something out there, people will, you know, they will comment and say whatever. So I know that she did respond to that comment and said, I understand. I didn't share everything. That's probably why it's coming off the way it is. So, baby, I wouldn't share anything. There's some things that I don't tell you guys as far as me personally, and you know, I don't share everything, but that's just me. Everyone's different. So anyway, I think it's very sad what Linda's going through, because she is an absolute sweetheart. There are certain people that I talk to outside of this platform, and she's one of the people that I check on every now and then. That's why, yeah, her and, you know, crazy ass Angel, Nezzy Naps. I actually talk to her the most out of everyone. You guys, let me tell you something. You have to know, and Linda knows, she's a smart girl. You have to know your self-worth. You have to know when enough is enough. And she even mentioned this in her video. If someone wants to leave, if someone is ready to go, if someone doesn't want it, you can't, especially when it comes to a man, you can't, two things. You can't change no man. It's not happening. He's gonna change when he wants to change. One, two, when someone wants to go, let them go. Don't try to fight it. Don't try to, you both have to want it. You both have to want to work on the relationship in order for it to work, okay? Do not let no one steal your peace at all. No one is worth it. No one is worth it. So yeah, we talked a little bit. I just feel that another thing too, real quick, she has to start over. Meaning she has to get a job, get a car, and because she was so dependent on him as her husband. Let me tell you something. And Nezzy and I had this conversation, because when I had mentioned that I would be paying the mortgage, she's like, oh. So I said, let me tell you something. Don't get it twisted, baby. I will be paying the mortgage, but I still stack up money on the side. Do you see what I'm saying? Even when we're, because you never know, you guys, especially as a stay-at-home wife, whatever, you know what I mean, even if you're not a stay-at-home wife, you got to make sure that you have money on the side, because you have no idea what could happen at the end of the day where you have to leave or you have to support him. You don't know what will happen, you know what I mean? So you don't know. Child, all right, y'all already know they changed their packaging, didn't they? Suave did. Okay, get your soap. Turn. What's that beeping? Yeah, it's hard for me to talk from this mask. This is what I like to buy. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I love these fragrances, coconut hibiscus. Oh, I love. So you guys, I want to get a new book. I mean, I have tons of books I still haven't read, but I'm gonna go for a Stephen King one.
I'm not paying for it. Oh no!
Hey you guys, we are supposed to be on our way to do a couple of things today, and the major freeways are closed down in our area, so I'm trying to think of a way to go all the way around. I went to go get some gas. First of all, my husband forewarned me before we headed out, but then we started to go down what's called North Valley Parkway, which is a major road, and it's already jacked up. So I turned around and got some gas. Now I got a green light yet. Gotta go. Hey you guys, how are you guys doing? Girl, I got this big old bonnet on because I'm cooking, I'm baking. Making a pound cake for JV's teachers, and then I'm making cookies for the kids in the neighborhood, y'all. Yes, I am. I am that person. I am that stereotypical Southern lady that bakes and goes around like, hi y'all, I got some pie. That literally is me. I feed people. So y'all, putting my hands over my girls, because those of you who don't know, let me go get some to make this higher. Hold on, y'all. Those of you who don't know, I had a breast reduction a couple of years ago, and so what happened is when you have a breast reduction, the doctor removes your areola and your nipples. So when you are large and in charge like me, and your boobs are hanging down here, so you can see them, they're high. When your boobs are hanging down here, your nipples are under. But now, since my boobs are like this and literally they're straight forward, see that? Again, I don't have on any bra. So yeah, so I have to come. I'll have to say this. So anyway, making a lemon pound cake. Last week I made the girls at the front desk. I made them not sweet potato pound cake, but sweet potato pie. And I hadn't made a sweet potato pie in years, so I had to look up a couple of recipes. Y'all, I cook like Big Mama and them. I can look at a couple of recipes, boom, boom, bam, 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 throw it together. I'm ready. I'll bake it. So I cut a little piece for one of the girls. I said, please, Tawana, taste this. And so she tasted it. She's like, okay, yeah, this is good. This is good. I said, thank God, girl, because I hadn't made this in like 10 years. She's like, really? I said, yeah, So anyway, let me hush up, y'all. I'm gonna make this icing. Well, first of all, I'm gonna make me a smoothie real quick because I haven't had anything to eat. I'm back on my trying to eat better thing again, even though I'm gonna make some wings today. I'm gonna show y'all that. Baby, look, if y'all can find this in your area, it's a little high in salt, but it's good. It is traditional jerk seasoning. I got this from Albertsons. I know you can get it online. Is that zooming in, y'all? Let me get out the way. Can it, come on, girl. Come on. Child, sorry, y'all. It's on my face, look. I can't show it. It's Walker's Wood, like you walking. See, can y'all see it now? It's still not gonna zoom in because it's focusing on my face. Hot and spicy. And it does have a lot of sodium because that is something I try to pay. It's 24% of your daily intake. So I don't even really use real salt anymore, you guys. If I'm cooking with condiments, which already has sodium, I may put a little bit of pink salt. I cook with pink Himalayan salt, which doesn't have any sodium. Yeah, I'm like, what is that? The candle over here is flickering. I'm already, look, y'all. I have horrible insomnia. Lately, I've been waking up. Actually, before that, I slept until 6 o'clock before last night. Last night, girl, why did I wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning looking at videos on caribou hunting? Yes, you heard that right. Caribou hunting. What the hell? Child. Made an offer on in Texas. I'm so excited. But baby, my husband, I didn't know that he wanted to get out of here by next month. I'm like, do what? Next month? December? I gotta pack up all this stuff in a couple of months. At least it's a little bitty apartment. We don't have a lot of stuff in it. And honestly, it's really not a lot, y'all. Thank God. Everything is still in the storage room too, but we're gonna have to make that trip. We're driving. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna be so tired. I'm already tired just thinking about it. I will more than likely take off the entire week off work when we're moving. The reason why it is quiet now is because JB is outside with these kids. That's why I'm making these things for them, y'all. I don't play. Like, I already told them, and their parents too. I said, look, I treat everybody the same. If I'm watching your kids, I'm gonna treat your child like my child. So when my mom was like, oh, that's fine. You can check my kids. I don't care. Yeah, I even spoke to her husband and I said, yeah, I'm gonna be out here. He saw me talking crazy to JB. He was like, I said, oh yeah, I'll talk like that to your daughters too. He's like, I'm okay with that. That's what it takes a village means. They have nice propane grills out here that I've been using. Y'all, ooh, that pound cake smells good, child. My husband took his butt to go get a massage. He's been at you because, you know, he tried to think he could put that massage chair in here in this apartment, and I was like, nah, playboy, you gonna have to go to the storage unit and use their massage chair. But now he went to go get a massage by Daisy or Amber. I don't know what these hussies' name are. The key to baking great cookies is to take them out before they're done. They'll continue to cook on the pan. Yeah, I need to get unsweetened almond milk because that's sweet as hell. This is what the pound cake looks like. Yes, girl. Now, I do have a cooking video on how to make this particular pound cake. I use box cake mix and I just add stuff to make it taste really, really good. So I'm going to ice it in the morning. Since the ice has dairy in it, I'm not going to ice it right now. So yeah, this is for JB's teachers. So